Yo, what up YouTube? My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller, and welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things entrepreneurship, Amazon FBA, and all that good stuff. So right now, it's March 18th, 2020, and right now we are in a weird pandemic with this whole coronavirus thing, and a lot of people are staying home right now. They're not working, they're not having jobs, and it's crazy. People are losing money, losing business, and it's a rough time for everyone. Being that this is the situation right now, it's an important time to seek opportunities and try to make some side money, some side hustles, some extra source of income. Because we never know when this kind of thing is going to happen again, and it's important that we have some kind of financial stability and we don't have just one source of income. So this time of day, it'd be a great way and a great opportunity to make some money online, to have an online business or to have some kind of online side hustle. So today, we're gonna talk about 5 different ways you can make money online while you're at home. So some of these things are things that I've already done or am currently doing, and the other way is from people that I know that have been trying it and doing it themselves and making money out of it. So the first one is gonna be the very obvious, is smashing that like button on this video. Alright, now that we've gotten that out the way, the first one is going to be Amazon FBA. Yes, you guessed it, it's what I do. So if you guys don't already know, Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, is a program on Amazon where you can create your own brand of products and you can sell them on Amazon, and Amazon does all the shipping and packing for you, and you just manage the sales and you manage your suppliers and whoever you get it from. This is my main source of income and how I've made a living, and this is a great way to make money online, and it doesn't require a lot of time either. On average, I spend maybe about 1 to 3 hours on my business per week, and it brings me a whole lot of money per week, every day, and every month. This is something that anyone can do who has internet access, and you don't need a degree or anything to do that. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to find a good product that's selling, that has low competition. You can come in, source for a cheap price, and sell on Amazon. A great way to invest your money and get a high return on investment if you have a good amount of money just sitting in the bank. The second way that doesn't require too much capital to start up is Shopify dropshipping. So Shopify dropshipping is something I haven't done, but I know people who are doing it, and it's a good way to make some money online that doesn't require a lot of money up front either. Great thing is you don't hold any inventory, so you don't have to pay that upfront money. But what you do is create a website, target people on Facebook where they go onto your website, where they order from your website, and then that order goes to China, and China ships out their products for you. So you never really have to touch the inventory or see the inventory or ship the inventory. It's all done by your supplier out in China and through your websites from Facebook. Definitely a great option if you don't have any money to start with, and it's a great way to make a few $100s or even a few $1,000s per month as well. Number 3 is something that I used to do before, was an online service. This means anything from like doing online programs. If you're like a personal trainer at the moment, you could do online coaching, online services of like consulting, or you can do an online course if you have something to teach. Any of those are a great option. So you want to think about it. If you're a teacher, is there a course that you can sell there? You know, is there some knowledge that you know that you could sell out there? Can you do coaching calls online about some kind of consulting, some kind of business, some kind of fitness, or whatever the case may be? I used to be a personal trainer back in the day before I had my Amazon business, and so I did a lot of coaching calls, and I did a lot of online programming, so online coaching. It was a great way to make some extra money while I was still coaching people in person. With any online coaching or online programming or online calls, you can make an extra $100 per month per person that you are helping with your services. Number 4 is another great way to sell your skills online, and it's through freelancing. There's a lot of different freelancing websites. There's Thumbtack, and there's also Fiverr, but all of these platforms are online platforms that you can use to sell your graphic design skills or your photography skills, or if you want to be a virtual assistant. They're all great ways that you can go and make some extra money. With Fiverr, you can take on so many projects at once. If you're doing something like a logo design that you're charging $25, you could take on 10 of these projects in a single week, and then you'll make an extra $250. So the last thing you can do is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid for somebody buying a product through your special link. So for example, if I was doing like a YouTube video and I did a review on like an iPhone or something like that, and it was selling on Amazon, Amazon has a program where you can get commissions off of every sale you get from someone who purchase the product through your link. So let's say I did a phone review and I said it was a badass product and it made me look sexy, right? I would have a link, a special link under my video where when people click on it and they buy something from that link, I get a commission off of that. So I already do this. So I have affiliate links down below for like Helium 10 and Feedback Wiz and Jungle Scout. So anytime somebody signs up for a program or software that I use, I get part of that commission or part of that sale. So it doesn't need to be anything crazy big. It definitely helps if you already have a following already, or if you have a presence on YouTube or presence on Instagram, or even if you don't and you just want to start, it's a good way to get a little bit of extra income. And yes, it might seem like a lot of work having to do a video or do something on Instagram or something like that to be able to get somebody to click on your link, but you have to think about it this way. If you're gonna do a YouTube video and you're gonna do, like, let's say a product review or something, and you have the links down below, you need to make that video one time and then that's it. You don't have to do any more work after that. And over time, as people see the video over and over and over and more people are clicking on your link, there are more likely to be conversions and people buying the product through your link, and that's gonna make you money over time without you having to do anything. And that's why it's such a great way to make income and just an extra few $100s per month. So affiliate marketing is a great way to do this. And you can start with something like Amazon affiliates, where it's super simple, where you can have your own special commission link, affiliate link with products that you use on a daily basis, whether it's like, I don't know, some tech gear or this mouse or something like that, something that you can review, and then over time, you'll get some clicks and conversions out of it. So those are the 5 ways that you can be making money online from the comfort of your own home, and you can make an extra $10 to $100 plus per hour. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I wanted to bring this video out because I wanted to present different kinds of opportunities out there that people don't know about. I wish I had this kind of content while I was young, because I wanted to find ways to make money, and I know people are out there and they still don't know what kind of opportunities out there and what kind of ways they can make money online. So I feel like it's my duty and responsibility to go out there and show people what they can do, because you never know what kind of lives you can change with this. So I hope you guys found this video really helpful. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content, because your boy's the best. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.